Today has been a messy day. We got drywallers all up in our business today, which has made it difficult because I don't know what to make a video about necessarily until my son asked me why there was shaving cream in the ceiling. And I had to explain to him that that is spray foam, closed cell spray foam insulation. He said, "Dad, why do you use that?" And I said, well, I use that stuff because it's better. Because it's better. That's a terrible answer, because I can tell you right now, things cost way more than they ever have. In fact, energy prices are up 40%. Well, this insulation costs like 6 times the amount of money as, say, fiberglass insulation. And I wanted to know why that is. Fiberglass insulation breaks down after 15 years. A house isn't even halfway paid for, and that insulation's already failing. So no wonder why it's only $600 to do a whole tiny house. Spray foam might cost as much as 10 grand, but there's more to it than that. Fiberglass insulation also has substantially less insulating. Fiberglass insulation, when it's 3 inches thick, is only about R11. Spray foam, for every 1 inch, that's R7 insulation. 5 inches of spray foam insulation is R35, where in a 3.5 inch cavity wall of fiberglass insulation, that's only R13. So you're getting 3 times the amount of insulating properties just in the first 2x4 wall cavity, and it's even worse in areas where there's high moisture. So unlike fiberglass, spray foam insulation is actually waterproof. If you're in a high humidity area, it's something that's super important, is to be the ability to keep water and moisture out, which means it will act as a moisture barrier for your house. Really important in, say, extremely humid climate. Fiberglass insulation, it's just not gonna do that. So how long does it take to pay for? Turns out, spray foam insulation, statistically speaking, although it might cost 6-7 times as much as, say, fiberglass insulation, the amount of energy savings, which is anywhere from 50 to 70% per year, it'll pay for itself in roughly about 3 to 5 years. Fiberglass insulation won't even outlast the mortgage on the house itself. I guess that's why it costs more. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share it if you found this information valuable. Every Friday, I try to do an informative video, and throughout the rest of the week, I do how-to videos, and I even give a little bit of backstory on where I came from and what I'm doing here building these tiny houses. I'll see you tomorrow.